All right, boys and girls, with this assignment, you have your paper that's divided into 3 columns: the wall to warm, the worn to watch, and water to weigh. Okay, so then you have your letter cards or your word cards, and you're going to take your word cards and you're going to sort them into what column they go in. So these are kind of like your guide words. So any word that is in between wall and warm, you're going to move that card into this column. Any word that is in between worn and watch, you're going to move to that column. And any word that is in between water and weigh, you're going to move into that column. When you're all done sorting them into each column, you then have to make sure that they are in alphabetical order in each column. So all the words you sorted into here, you want to put those in ABC order. Any words that you sorted into this group, you want to put those in alphabetical order. And then same thing with your last column, any words that you put in there, you want to make sure that those are in alphabetical order. If your teacher allows, you may glue them once you feel they are in alphabetical order, so then you can turn that in. All right, I hope you have fun. Bye-bye.